In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Bitcoin at best price on Coinbase. If you've ever hit the quick sell button and felt like you didn't get a great rate, this guide will help you take control of price and fees using Coinbase's advanced trade. First, open Coinbase and switch to the advanced trade interface. On the website, look for the advanced option under trade. In the app, locate the advanced or pro style trading view. This layout gives you better tools, lower fees, and precise control over your sale. Choose the trading pair that matches your currency, like BTC to your local currency. Now, instead of using a market order, select limit. A market sell fills instantly at the best available price, but it can cost more and slip through the order book. A limit sell lets you name your price. In the price field, enter the exact level where you're comfortable selling your Bitcoin. This is your target, and the order won't execute unless the market reaches it. Enter the amount of BTC you want to sell. Review the summary carefully. You'll see estimated fees, your limit price, and the total expected proceeds. Keep in mind, limit orders can fill partially if the market touches your level with limited liquidity, and then continue filling as more buyers appear. Right about here, a quick note. I've placed the official Coinbase download link for mobile and a website link right at the top of the description, so you can access the correct platform easily. If you want protection during volatile moves, consider a stop limit order as an alternative. With a stop limit, you set a stop price that, when reached, places your limit sell automatically. It's useful for locking in gains or capping losses if the price drops. Just remember, the limit price controls the minimum you'll accept, so set it thoughtfully to improve your chance of getting filled once the stop triggers. A few key tips to get the best price. Avoid instant sales from the main app's standard sell screen, because those are market orders with higher fees and less favorable pricing. Monitor fees closely. If you're a Coinbase One member, you may qualify for zero trading fees on certain transactions, which can make a meaningful difference. Finally, use the real-time order book in advanced trade to see where liquidity sits. Placing your limit near strong demand can help your order fill faster while still protecting your price. That's it. Use advanced trade, choose a limit, set your price and amount, review, and consider a stop limit for volatility. Thanks for watching.